Hi, welcome to the Success Seeds. A great life is not something that just happens. Allocating your time, effort, ideas, and hard work toward what you want your life to be will lead to a great life. Instead of merely focusing on what happens next, make the most of the 24/7 you have by being creative and attentive with it. Make these secrets unique to your requirements and preferences and start building your dream life right away. First, simplify. Simplifying your life will give you a fantastic life. People sometimes misinterpret what simplify means. It's not a means of getting away from work. You have more time and energy for the work you enjoy and the reason you are here when you concentrate on simplifying your life. You must first make room in your life for it in order to create a beautiful life. Effort. Your greatest efforts will lead to a fantastic life. You need to make certain changes if you want to live a great life. It can entail seeking out new activities to engage in that align with your own vision of what a great life entails. Your best effort will be rewarded by life. Priorities. Setting priorities leads to a great life. Instead of purposefully investing your time, energy, and resources in things that are significant to you, it is simple to spend your days simply responding to the next item that captures your attention. Make sure you are honoring your priorities by concentrating on removing the barriers in your path. Reserves. For instance, to locate a reserve of time, start by delegating a duty to someone else or, if it's no longer necessary, just throwing it out. When you have reserves, you can live your life looking ahead rather than constantly digging yourself out of trouble. Remove outside influences. The effect of removing distractions is a great existence. You may be spending up to 75% of your mental energy on things that are depleting and distracting. Take a moment to observe the life of someone you respect. For tasks that are more vital to you, find strategies to free up your mind. Thoughts. Controlling your mind to accept and allow for the chance that it genuinely could happen to you can lead to a fantastic existence. How successful you are will directly depend on how strongly you believe in the outcome. To build a life you enjoy, you must have faith that there is a solution to the same old issues you face year after year. You create what you think and believe. Pay attention to what you're saying yourself and change that voice as necessary. Start. Starting leads to a wonderful existence. Anyone is aware with the proverb, a trip of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. You have to start in order to even get from the couch to the refrigerator. There is no time like the present to get started. Don't hold off till you get paid more, the kids are older, or the weather is nicer. The time to start moving in the direction of your heart's aspirations is right now, today. What you do right now will determine how your life turns out tomorrow. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, please subscribe.